Hello, this is Abiola David. In this video tutorial, I want to say different ways of creating any kind of chart in Excel. Let's get started. Now, usually you can actually click inside your data and go to the Insert tab, and of course under the chart you can select any chart you want. Let's do a column chart, so you can actually insert a chart like this, which is more straightforward. So I'm going to show us some very interesting ways of doing the same thing. So I'm going to delete this chart. Now click outside the data, go to the Insert tab, then let's do column chart. Of course it works with all other charts. Let's do clustered column. Now we have a blank chart. See what I'm going to do. I'm going to select my data, Control A, Control C, then select my chart area, Control V. Wow, it makes sense. We've achieved something nice. Probably we've not seen this one before. Let's do something similar. Let's insert an empty column chart. Can you see? Again, I'm going to select my data, Control A, now Control C, then select my chart area, then go to paste special. Okay, then we have this paste special dialog box. Of course I want my cells as new series and values while in the columns, so I'm going to just check the series name in the first row. Zoom. Amazing, we've created a chart. Can you see? Probably we've not seen this one before. There are different ways of achieving the same outcome in Excel. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you and bye for now.